I'll be sharing an easy way to transfer your WhatsApp data from a GMS device to a Huawei's HMS device. We'll have to open up WhatsApp on a GMS device, click on the three dots, go to settings. From settings, click on chats. From chats, click on chat backup. Click backup to Google Drive and select never. You will then need to backup your data to the local device by hitting on backup. You will see it will backup your data to the local storage of your phone. Close WhatsApp. Navigate to Files. Go to Internal Storage and scroll down to the WhatsApp folder. Highlight the database folder and the media folder. Click More and then press Compress. Leave it on default and then click on OK. When the data compression is complete, you will have to transfer that file to your HMS device. You can use either WeTransfer, you can use Huawei Share, you can use Bluetooth, you can use Wi-Fi Direct, anything that will transfer the file. On my right, I have the Huawei's Mate 30 Pro, and of course on the left, it is the GMS device. So I will be transferring this file to the HMS unit. I'll select on Share. And I'll just turn on the Huawei Share since both devices are Huawei. The phone on my right hand side does not have WhatsApp installed. So I'm just waiting for the two phones to connect up. I'll accept. And now I am transferring this file to the HMS device. Like I said also earlier on, you can use anything. It can be Huawei Share, it can be Wi-Fi Direct. You can even use your Type-C USBs to transfer the file from one phone to another, as long as you will be able to move that zip file to the HMS device. So let's wait for this to finish. Once the file transfer is complete, I'll put away the GMS device. I'll select the zip file from the HMS device, click More, Extract to, and I'll select Directory, click OK. I'll choose Internal Storage, and I'll click on OK to extract the data under Internal Storage. This will create a WhatsApp folder under the internal storage directory. It will also save all the data, the media files, and the database folder that I have actually selected initially. So let's just wait for this to finish. Looking at the data here, I have 2.9 gigs of data. So it's almost done. All right, so it's done. I'll click on View Files. And then as you can see, two folders are there. I'll go to the database folder, highlight all the files with dates on them, leave the one without a date, delete. This is the only one I should be left with. Now we need to download WhatsApp, open Findora, and search for WhatsApp Messenger. After downloading and installing your WhatsApp, make sure you allow all the permissions, especially the storage permission. To give permissions to the WhatsApp, you have to close WhatsApp, go to Settings. From Settings, click on Apps. Under Apps, on my side, I'm going to search for WhatsApp. Select WhatsApp, go to Permissions. That is where you'll find all the WhatsApp permissions. I'll just enable a few, but the one I start with, it will be the storage. So I'll just select a few. You can enable all the permissions here, including the camera, the calls. All right, then I'll go back to my WhatsApp. I'll open it. Click on agree and continue. Type in your cell phone number. Click next. Select OK. Continue. If you get any permission request, allow it. You'll receive your verification code. When you look at my screen, you will see I have found a backup of 3.9 gigs. I will restore that. Once done, click next. Enter the name or your WhatsApp name. Click next. It is loading, and as you can see, I have recovered all my WhatsApp. If you like the video, click thumbs up and leave a comment. Catch you next time.